The weather on 2 now, from Bill Giles.
Good evening to you. Well, it's still a very unsettled weather picture I've got to show you tonight, with low pressure not very far away. It's squeezing up the isobars over England and Wales, so a very windy night here with a lot of blustery showers about, and these strong winds getting up into Northern Ireland and southern parts of Scotland. Out in the Atlantic, we've got further low pressure areas. These are likely to develop and run fairly quickly eastwards. This low pressure area, in fact, bringing more rain back into the west during the course of the night. But let's have a look at the chart for midday tomorrow, and you can see that frontal system coming in across southern parts of the country with low pressure up to the north and one off to the west of Scotland once again. So as far as the weather's concerned tomorrow, I think rain coming back into this western side during the night will push fairly quickly eastwards, getting across into the eastern parts of England during tomorrow morning, so that much of England and Wales, a good deal of cloud with rain from time to time, and it will still be fairly windy, particularly down in the south. These winds still up to 40-45 miles an hour from the west or southwest. Later on tomorrow, I think somewhat brighter and rather more showery weather will be coming back into some of these western parts. It'll be pushing its way across during the afternoon into some central districts as well. This means that although it'll turn gradually more showery, there'll still be a good deal of cloud around and a lot of blustery showers in it as well. Up in Scotland, a fairly cloudy day. There might be one or two bright periods in the southwest of Scotland to start with, but generally speaking, a good deal of cloud about there, with further rain from time to time in many places. Temperatures tomorrow, much the same as they have been today, up to about 10 centigrade in the far south, that's 50 Fahrenheit. Over the next couple of days, it looks as though that low pressure out to the west will drift its way southeastwards, bringing us back into much colder northwesterly winds. So as far as the weather's concerned, over the next 2 or 3 days, it will become brighter and rather more showery, but it'll turn a lot colder. I think some of these showers turning to sleet or snow, particularly over in the north and west, and even on the low ground in the north, there could be some snow later on. Still very windy, but the wind's tending to die down to give some frost at night. Well, that's all from me now. A very good night to you.
BBC Two.